Have you tried cabbage fufu, guys, and what it can do to your gut? Guys, this is very high in fiber. This will have you go into the bathroom and this will have your stomach snatch, guys. Yeah, I'm testing this thing out. It's so good. So I added all my meat to the pot. I added my pepper, my everything else, onions and stuff. I seasoned my meat up very well and let it, you know, boil a little bit. Let it, how they call it? Pop boil. So I'm letting my meat pop boil for a little bit. I make cornbread, guys. If you want this recipe, juicy Liberian cornbread from scratch. Making it with cornmeal, not that Jiffy mix. So now I'm testing it out, checking the seasoning, making sure everything on point. And now on point, so I added seasoning, I added water, everything inside my second cornbread pan also. And then I stir my pot, making sure everything's straight. I went and got my blender. I come to blend my okra because I'm making this with okra. Fufu and okra, guys. I stopped eating fufu. I stopped eating rice. Too much starch. So here I am eating my cornbread and butter, guys. This was so yummy. Okay? I'm telling you, I'm like, how did I come up with this recipe? Because it was so good. So that's my okra. I'm putting it in the blender and I'm blending it out. And I'm adding my fish because my water dry a little bit. So I add my fish. This is the pompano fish. I'm taking it out because it's already steamed out. You don't want it to break out. So take your fish out and put it to the side. And let your meat continue pop boiling. The thing was taking too long. I said, let me go get my meat in a wrap. So I add some inside it. I call my pot. I let it cook for a bit. And then I come into my cabbage now to show you guys how I made that cabbage fufu. So I took my oatmeal, put it in the blender. My blender is so hard-headed and lazy, guys, but still I got it done. I blend that oatmeal. I got the gluten-free oatmeal. I blend it in the blender. And then I took it out. And then now I'm about to blend my cabbage. Make sure you cut your cabbage into smaller pieces. Because how small heart and the thing you give me. So I'm blending my cabbage. Make sure it's blend out smoothly. Look at that. Very, very smooth. And then you take this, you screen it. That water that coming out of there, that's what we're going to make the fufu with. So don't throw it out. Screen it good. You don't have to squeeze all the water out. Use that water. Add your oatmeal in it little by little and stir. Put your stove on the low heat. Put it in there, then you add the rest of the cabbage stuff in there. Stir it. If you need more oatmeal, add more oatmeal, guys. But my pot is still boiling with my meat and everything in it. I'm just waiting. So you just add it little by little. Don't add too much at the time before your fufu be watery. So I'm here stirring it out. I added more oatmeal. I'm looking for a consistency. Y'all know the fufu consistency without using starch. So I'm looking for that consistency. I keep adding, stirring, adding, pounding. Now I add a tiny bit of clear water so it can actually cook. I cover it in the pot and let it cook. And now I'm pounding it for the last time before I bag it. I go back to my pot and add all my okra in it that I blended. I added 2 more pot of pepper, added a tiny bit of water, stir it out, cover it, let it cook. While it's cooking, open the pot, put your fish back in there, stir it, make sure the seasoning on point. Then you come back here, take your plastic shrink wrap, put your fufu in there. This is how you wrap it, put it together. So it can just hold together, guys. You can eat it later without the plastic. But I like to do it like this, at least to store the rest of it. When you're ready to eat it, you can just put it in hot water, you eat it. Look at this beauty. Beauty that's good for our gut health. This cabbage is also good for your bones. Do you know that? It's also good for your muscles. I'm adding my okra on it. And then now I come and sit down to eat. I was eating this thing here. I love it. So this purple cabbage is very rich in antioxidants. Very good for your heart health. It gives you strong bones. It's good for your gut health. It helps your immune system, your brain health, and your eye health, guys. And your oatmeal is Also rich in magnesium, copper, zinc. Also help control your blood sugar. Wherever there is evil, God cannot give his blessings. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.